Hey everyone, Brent from AutoIndustria.com, and we give you 10 new things about the 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross. First up, you have this new grille with a structured mesh design for a more powerful and robust appeal. This new bumper design features new vertical guards that mimic an overrider for a tougher appeal. You get these new 17-inch alloy wheels with two-tone piano black and aluminum machined finish. The rear bumper also gets these vertical guards for a tough rear stance. It gets a burgundy and black two-tone interior for a distinguished appeal. You get this all-new design 3-spoke steering wheel wrapped in leather. You get a new 8-inch LCD digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is also upgraded. It now gets a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. There's also a new multi-around monitor for parking and navigating tight spots. A new addition to the second row is this headrest for the center passenger so they don't feel left behind. The 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross retails for 1,378,000 pesos, and you can see this for yourself unveiled at the Music Hall of the SM Mall of Asia from August 29 to 31.